I see you walk out of the shade. Oh yeah, came out. Ooh, it's in the past now. Oh yeah. Ooh, come out. The sun is so bright now. Oh, it breaks my heart to see you hiding there in the shade. But I know there's a way. If you take my hand now and let me show you another place. Oh, all the funny stuff that's going through your head now. Oh, I know it's hard to shake off, but trust me now. You look back on it all with a smile now, wondering why it took you so long. Life goes on, it goes down, then back up, and we'll never get used to it. It goes on, it goes down, but the sun is up. No time to ponder in the shade. Come out, oh, I know you'll get through it, 'cause you've been hiding in the shade for too long. Oh, don't have to thank me now, 'cause I'm just glad to see you up on your feet, and that you're moving in closer to me. I see you walk out of the shade. Oh yeah, came out. Ooh, it's in the past now. Oh yeah.
Let me guide you on how to reach Angelo's newest listing from the Bellagio Fountains. This home is in a prime location with plenty of nearby amenities, including schools: Vincent L. Triggs Elementary School, Anthony Seville Middle School, Shadow Ridge High School, grocery stores, Winco Foods, Smith's, Sprouts Farmers Market, Health and Fitness, Planet Fitness, EOS Fitness, Fortified Fitness Training, hospitals, ER at Valley Vista, ER at North Las Vegas, Dignity Health St. Rose Dominican Hospital, North Las Vegas, Nevada campus, Pet Care, Alliant Animal Hospital. All about paws. This home is located in a gated community and comes with leased solar panels for energy efficiency.
If you are looking for a corner lot home with a primary bedroom on the first floor and an ensuite bathroom, this is the right home for you. Welcome to 7082 Sayonara Vista Street in North Las Vegas, Nevada. And this is my newest listing. Come on in. This particular home is positioned very well. You have a wide side yard and you have privacy on the right side of the home. I wanted to welcome you to this beautiful home, beautiful stonework as you can see, and lots of privacy at the back. I can't wait for us to tour this together. First of all, you have a 2-car driveway and a 2-car garage, and your front of the house have plenty of parking, no immediate neighbor in the front as well. And I cannot wait, guys. You will be amazed about this particular home. Plenty of spaces, 4 bedrooms in total and 3 bathrooms. Cool thing about this home is that you have a seamless entrance from the driveway leading you to the front door. Welcome to this beautiful home. First of all, you have a digital lock. So very efficient, guys. You don't have to use your key if you don't need to. You can just press the code and there you go. You have an entry code to your beautiful home. Welcome to 7082 Sayonara Vista Street. One special feature of this home is that you have a beautiful tiled floor where it's bright. It makes your home feel spacious and bright. Now, let's welcome you to the formal dining area. Everything here, furniture and arts, are available for you to purchase separately from the price of the home. Therefore, you just have to bring your toothbrush and toothpaste and you're ready to live a beautiful life here in Las Vegas. Now, this dining area, they've already installed the beautiful chandelier above your dining table. Now, I can't wait for us to tour the kitchen area. So let's tour that kitchen area here. Right immediately, you've got a kitchen island with quartz countertop. Really nice, bright, and it's contrasted with the dark cabinetry, right? There is contrast, so beautifully done. And you have a window at your sink area overlooking your beautiful and completed huge backyard. Now, this floor plan is so good because immediately in front of it is the living room area. This living room area is so spacious, you can actually purchase anything here for a separate price. So therefore, you're ready to live here with all of the furniture already in place. And very spacious, you can entertain your guests, lots of spaces to enjoy. In addition, this kitchen also has 3 beautiful pendant lighting. Okay, one thing I wanted to mention, guys, this is ideal for those who needed a primary bedroom on the first floor. Let's check it out. Welcome to the first floor primary bedroom. Very spacious. A king-size bed is here and it fits easily. You also have a space for your chair. And let's check out the primary bathroom. Welcome to the primary bathroom. We've got a shower and a tub combo. And you also have a frosted glass, brings so much natural light inside. In addition, in front of it is a very spacious counter with makeup area. Now leading you to the spacious walk-in closet here. Plenty of space to put your clothes, your Louis Vuittons, and everything you have in life. Okay, let's check out the other secondary bedroom, also located on the first floor. The other secondary bedroom is located all the way to the front, adding privacy from the primary bedroom. Let's take a look. Welcome to the first secondary bedroom, also located on the first floor. This particular bedroom is staged as an office, and you can do a second TV area as well. So you can see how they've designed it. Definitely a lot of things you can do when you have another section for your television area. Immediately after the first floor secondary bedroom is a full bathroom. This full bathroom can also be accessed by the guest. Definitely spacious. You have one countertop and also a shower area. For added convenience, because your primary bedroom is located on the first floor, you will have an access to the laundry area right here on the hallway. You've got a first floor laundry area. This laundry area comes with washer and dryer, also automated lighting. Once you enter the laundry area, the light will turn on. There are 2 other bedrooms on the second floor, but before we go to the second floor, I wanted to mention, guys, you have plenty of storage space underneath these stairs. In addition, your stairs have a landing which makes you secured as well in the event of a catastrophic fall. Of course, a lot of people like the floor plan that has a landing on the stairs because it is more secure in terms of stepping to your stairs and leading you to the second floor. Much more easier to go to the second floor. The second floor also has a 9 feet ceiling height, and what is important, guys, is you have a separate thermostat on your second floor. It will make your energy saving better because you can control the section of this home separately from the first floor. Let's check out the first secondary bedroom on the second floor. First of all, you have a hallway bathroom. This is a full bathroom. It has a countertop, it has a shower. So definitely this is being shared by 2 bedrooms here on the second floor. Okay, let's check out the first secondary bedroom right immediately. This is the secondary bedroom here. Plenty of natural light coming inside. You have 2 windows and you can fit a queen size bed here easily. Now we're entering the second secondary bedroom. This particular bedroom is much larger than the other one. As you can see, the owners have stages as a second TV area where people can hang out if they want to, right? You have a couch here that you can put, but also you can convert this into a bedroom because there is a closet area here. Now, one important item to mention is that this, aside from being large, you have access to a balcony. So let's go to the balcony so that you can see how beautiful it is outside. Welcome to the balcony. This is one of the things that I like about this home. You have beautiful mountain views. Isn't it nice when you're seated here? You can enjoy and relax, have your red wine in the evening or coffee in the morning. Definitely watch the entire mountain range here in the northern area. Beautiful gated community, by the way. So definitely lots of privacy. As you can see, you don't have an immediate neighbor at the back. Now, let's go to the backyard. I can't wait for us to tour this backyard, guys. This is already completed, ready to go. And you also have a covered porch here. Let's welcome you to the backyard. First of all, you have a sliding door, right? Leading you to the spacious backyard. This is one of those where a lot of people will enjoy. You have full-size, wider portion of the covered porch all the way to the side of the home, side by side. Everything is completed here. You have plenty of spaces to enjoy. No immediate neighbor to this side of the home. As you can see, when you're here at your backyard, you can literally see the mountains. So definitely amazing views. In addition, this is already done. No immediate neighbor to your back. Lots of privacy. Definitely your kids, your relatives, your friends, or even yourself will definitely enjoy here. It's already done. I can't wait for you to enjoy this huge backyard. I cannot wait for you to tour this beautiful home. As you can see, guys, everything is already here. All furniture and arts are available for you to purchase. You don't have to bring anything at all. And don't forget, contact me, 725-287-5242. And let's get started. Let's tour this beautiful home. Also, if you have a real estate agent already, you are welcome to contact them and schedule a tour. The owners are flexible in terms of allowing you to enter their beautiful home. I cannot wait. Let's enjoy a beautiful life here in Las Vegas. May God bless you all.